Cat got too close to a candle, and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out. I have never seen a cat run in cursive before.
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Security! Ah!
I found a cat that loves sucking on this person's ear.